Hi, welcome. We are at Chapter 3, Section 10.4. This lab, we're going to troubleshoot processor installation. This is the second lab of this chapter, or this section, excuse me, section. So, here's the scenario. You work part-time at a computer repair store. You have just upgraded the processor in a customer's computer. The computer starts, but it shuts down shortly after booting to Windows. Since the only thing you have changed is the CPU, you know that the problem is related to the processor. You need to check any issues related to the processor installation. Excuse me, related to the processor installation. In this lab, your task is to verify that the problem still exists, answer questions 1 and 2, examine the CPU details, and answer question 3. Examine the heatsink and fan component details. Um, Correct any issues you find that would be causing the computer to shut down. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And as you know, I gotta do our little loading theme song. Do do. Oh, not today. Okay. Verify the problem still exists. All right. We verified the problem still exists. Okay. Um, Turn it off. Let's go to the motherboard. What are these questions saying? Can the computer boot to Windows if there's no CPU installed? That's a no. Which number on the motherboard diagram indicates where the CPU fan can be connected? Let's take a look. Specifications. I know right there. Three. Three. Close that. Oh, right here we see partial connections. So the heatsink fan is not connected. Let's connect the fan and see if that fixes it. Why is thermal paste not needed in this case? Thermal paste has been pre-applied to the heatsink. And let's go to the front, see if it cuts on. Okay, I think we're good, right? Let's check. Check the answers. Yeah, 100%. Cool show. Good show. Um, Score the lab. 100%. Here's the questions and the answers. And we have our explanation here. Pause to read. All right, I hope that this has helped you and you learned something. I learned something. Can't tell you what it is because I'm sleepy, but thanks for watching. Okay, bye.